Is it fine now? No. Yes, it's fine now. So, welcome back, coders. My name is Shresh Sharma. I introduced you that. I think I told you that in the first video only. And let's continue the series on Python. So, now, as you know, now my Python is fine. Yes, I'm proud. The problem was that I made a new module calc in previous in the second last video, and then when I was shooting this video for the first time, this is the third time, then I got the error that by mistake my main project module got deleted by mistake. So there the problem occurred, and so I made my main module as calc, and this DDD is my second module. So let's get started. Today we're going to I think what's the topic? Yes, variables. So we're talking about variables after a very long time. So we're going to talk about a special variable name, which is name. Yes, the specialty about this is that it has double underscore. So let's get started. Let me switch on the Python console. Yes, that's fine. And now let's write print double underscore this it's just above the minus sign key. Like the minus sign has two keys, one is longer, one is shorter. Shorter one is minus, greater one is underscore. So name, then double underscore here also. Yes, interesting, right? And now, an error. I'm here on Python as I think Python should not be used for this topic. So, as you know, we can talk about name. So we'll do like this: print name. Okay, this is the variable, and now and you can see it has come main. Why? Because there in this module it's my first code, right? And main is a point of execution, which means this is where your code starts. So now I'm going to do this DDD, and you can see I've written a print hello plus name. And now I'm going to run the code and see. You can see hello main. I think I should give a space over here and then run the code. I'm going to see hello main, as name is main. So now this is all done, and if I can write import, what is DDD? Here's a file unused. No, I've used it. Now I'm going to write print welcome, and now let's run the code and check what does happen. Oh, no module name DDD, but I'm working on it, right? I think I don't know how to make a module over here, as I learned how to work inspired of this year only, and you know that I have to check why it isn't working, why this thing I can try. Let's try dd.py. I don't know what will happen. Okay, so let's check. dd.py imported but unused. Okay, so I can tell you what does happen when we use this. Okay, if I write here, then it will say, if I write import, yes, ddd, it will say hello ddd and then print welcome. So this is how it works. And if so, I'm going to remove this statement and then do here import temp, yes, temp file. Here, oh, unused. Okay, no worries, it's a module only. So now if I write print ddd, no, it's string value ddd. Okay, and now let's check what has happened. You can see hello main, yes, and ddd, it works. And if I think there's no module at temp and there are no modules like this, we can't make a module in Spyder, and I don't think so PyCharm is working. Let's check. And so I'll just explain you what does. So if I import the file temp over here, it will write welcome with dd plus main, and as I explained you, name is equal. So that was the concept behind this video. And so today I will be deleting PyCharm and then reinstalling it again to rectify the errors. Okay, so I'm gonna end the video here only. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, then what are you waiting for? So I'll see you next